Hello everyone, it's Quoia Renae and I'm back with another video. So in this video I already previously made this wig. I just made it for fun. I'm not going to wear it. I'm not going to put it on my head. I simply just made it because someone mentioned in my other video of me doing my sister curls that they would like to see me do some layers and curls. Plus I've been wanting to do it on myself for a while, but I didn't want to take out my sewing and redo it. So I just said I'm going to make a wig. So I had my razor comb at first and I was creating the layers with that, but I just felt like it wasn't cutting enough hair off for me, so I just went in with the scissors. I felt like I wasn't going to really be able to do it too much with the scissors, but it definitely gave me the look I was going for. So if you want to create some layers, definitely make sure you go in with some scissors. I would say go in with your razor comb once you have done your curls and you just want to see, well, you just want to cut off a little bit more extra or touch it up or whatever, then you can go in with your razor comb, because initially the razor comb was not cutting off enough hair. But I just went in with those scissors and I'm just cutting those layers in. So as you all can see, I kind of went, crazy with the scissors. I got a little scissor happy. I was just cutting and cutting and cutting. But this hair I got from the beauty supply store, so I didn't mind cutting it. I didn't get it from any like real boutiques or any like some real virgin hair. It's not any of that. So I just said I'm gonna cut it and really create these layers, and I really did like the finished look once I ended up cutting these layers like this. So if you're a little bit scared to cut your hair, then I would say wait till like your third or second install of you having your hair. I wouldn't suggest cutting it so much in its new hair, because once you install it again, it's going to look choppy and it's going to look funny, and you're going to end up having to do some more trimming to your hair. So I would suggest cutting layers maybe your second or third install. So I took some of my Sebastian shaping spray and I sprayed that on this section of my hair. I'm going to spray it all over the wig, and then I like to take my Babyliss flat iron just to hit the roots, so I can make sure that it lays flat once I'm done with the curls. And then the reason also that I made this wig is because I wanted to test out my new T3 curling irons. I really like these little curling irons, honey. They just the perfect size. They're not too big, they're not too small. They are really, really perfect, and they get really, really hot. I really like these. I got them from Ulta, and if you got the coin, honey, get you some, because they was a little pricey, baby. So if you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any future upcoming videos. Also hit the thumbs up button so YouTube can recommend my videos and I can have a reason to put more content out for y'all, because y'all don't be liking my stuff. Like, y'all be watching, but y'all don't be liking. So definitely hit the thumbs up button And don't be hating and hit the thumbs down button, because if you think that make me mad, it really don't, because that helps too. But be engaged, comment, let me know what else you all want to see on my channel, and follow your girl on Instagram at Quoia_Renae as well. So here I am flat ironing and taking my hot comb, and I'm going to also take that Carrot wax stick, and it's going to help this part of the closure to lay flat, because this is a closure wig, it's not a frontal, and closures are kind of harder to lay flat, I feel, because the bump is like right in the middle of the wig still, so it's kind of harder to lay closures really flat. So I'm going to make sure I flat iron it and go over with the hot comb. Once I'm done with my curls, I'm going to further lay that closure flat. I'm going to go back over it with my hot comb. I'm also going to take some Got To Be spray. I'm going to spray it on the edges of the closure so I can make sure that the edges lay down, just to make it look, you know, flatter and cuter. It looks a little bit more natural to me when you lay the edges down like you're doing a traditional sew-in. I also sprayed some on the top of the closure as well, just so I can make sure that part lays flat. And initially it does make the closure a little hard when you spray that Got To Be spray, but once I sprayed the Fantasia heat protecting spray on top of the closure, it got right back soft. So you don't have to worry about your closure getting crunchy or anything. Over time it's going to get right back laid and sleek. So now I'm taking my wide tooth comb and I'm going to go ahead and comb through those curls. I do not like tight baby doll curls. I don't like them type of curls. If you like them type of curl, keep them in, girl, but I don't. I'm going to go ahead and comb mine out. I love me some loose curls. And I'm also going to take my T3 flat iron just to make that little bit of a hump at the edges of the closure, because I like that effect too. I think it's cute. It gives it a little bit volume right there. You know, I don't know what it does, but it's cute. It lays it and it makes it a little hump at the front of the closure. And here I am spraying that Fantasia spray And after that, I'm just going to comb it in and brush it down with my hands and just do my finishing touches on this closure, honey. And after that, this is the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Like I said before, make sure you all hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, share my video, and follow me on Instagram. And I will see you all next time in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.